We have two spark plugs here. On this on the left is a used one, and the one on the right is brand new, but the tip is bent. The gap is not properly right. Which one will cause misfire on the vehicle? And I'll show you what the spark look like on these two. High RPM, and then I'll show you. That's the left, the used one, and the right, new one, but not properly that.